Hello friends, I hope you all are good. So today we came up with a new class in which we are going to learn how to show a track bar on our image and manipulate our image using that track bar. So let's start. We open the Sublime. This is our last class file. Let me close it. Now we create a new folder with the name 10th class and create a new file inside that. So we can name it as a Python opencv Python opencv and trackbar example 1.py. Let me save it. So as you all know, what we have to do first, we have to import numpy as np, then we have to import cv2. Now after we have to define a function, but we will define function when we, let me create a black image. So as you all know, what we have to do, create a black image equals to np dot zeros, then we have to pass the dimension 300 cross 512 cross 3 channel, then np dot uint 8. Now for creating a name track bar on our image, we have to create first name window, cv2.name window. We can pass a name image, then we have to create a track bar. So cv2 dot create track bar, and we have to name is that RGB value we are going to name it as a B, and then image. So what we are doing, we are fetching the RGB value using track bar and show it on our image. So it means we are manipulating our image using the different colors that we fetch from our track bar. So the range, then we have to pass the range 0 to 255. As you all know, we have the range, and then we call the function nothing. So can we define a function? Let me define a function. Define nothing. Nothing is just nothing. It's just displaying the value that we are fetching from our track bar. Print x, then we have created one track bar. Now let me create another one. Another one is green channel, then red channel. So we have to pass the name of the name window, so that we have passed here. Now what we have to do next we have to, let me create one switch. So by using that switch, I am going to on or off the track bars. So it means if we going to switch our track bar, we are going to switch off our track bar, is not going to reflect on our image. That's it. So off, and slash, and we have to write over here slash n, then 1 for on. So as you know how to create a track bar, we have already written above. Then we can pass switch, then range 0, 1, image, then 0, 1, then we call the function nothing. So this is done for now. Let me create a while loop. So using this while loop, cv2.imshow image and image. Then you already know what I'm going to do. K equals to cv2.waitKey, and if waitKey equals to 1, or you can know that value q, if we press the q, then it's going to be terminate. So 0x double f. If k equals to 27, then break. And now what we have to do, we have to fetch the value of that trackbar. So for getting the value of trackbar, we have function get trackbar position. So first we have to take the blue channel value and image. So image, we have to pass in name of that named window, bgr. So this is for B, this is for J, this is for R, and same we have to do bgr. So we have get the value, and now we have to check if switch equals to 0. So I think I didn't taken the value of switch. So first I have to take the value of switch. S equals to cv2 dot get trackbar position, then we have to pass the switch, then image. If s equals to 0, we have to show nothing. So this semicolon means inside the list we have to change all the value of our image to make it is 0, else image change all value to that bgr that we have fetched from trackbar, comma. Now as you all know what we have to do next, cv2 dot destroy all windows. Let me run the code. So as you can see that we are getting the trackbar from 0 to 225 and on an F. So now let me change here. We can see that the values are going to print, and now change me this value. So right now it's off. Let me switch on. Yeah, you can see how our value is changing. How beautiful this is. So as we move forward, we are going to learn few beautiful things using opencv. Stay tuned. So this is done. So I want to show you one more thing. So let me create another file, new file, python opencv trackbar example 2. In this what we are doing, we just have to show the number that we are fetching using trackbar on our image. So few things we have to copy from our previous. So let me copy whole code first, then I think I don't need, just I want a single trackbar, then name window as it is, and I don't want to create a black image, and then that's it. Then switch. Okay, we have to create one switch. In this switch we are going to change our image from color to gray, and trackbar. Okay, we are getting the trackbar, so we have to show the current position, so we can name it as current position, and the position from 10 to 400. You can take it anything, whatever you want, 10 to 100, 10 to 200, 0 to 10, as you wish. So now next we have to read the image, so cv2.imread, cv2.imread our image dot slash open cv tutorial slash data slash the name of is lena.jpg. Now what we have to do, we have to fetch the position of the trackbar, so cv2 dot get trackbar position, and the name of that trackbar cp current position, name window image, then font, which font we have to apply, font cv2 dot font /simplex, we are using simplex right now, and we have to remove few code from bottom too. cv2 wait key we can use, and we can use the switch on, so we have to remove this code. Okay, switch image, okay, that's fine. We have to show our image at the end, so we can write it somewhere here, then font, then we are going to cv2 dot put text, we have to put text, and what we have to pass the text as the position, and we want to convert it into string, otherwise it will show the error. Then coordinates, where we want to show 50, 100, then font, then 6 is too large, we can make it 4, size of the font that 4, and color 0, 255, 255, it's a yellow color, I think so, and then 10, thickness of the font 10 is too much, I think we can take it 6 as a. So now if switch is in off condition, we have to just pass, we don't want to convert our image in a grayscale, is it same as it is, and if the switch is on, we want to convert in a grayscale, so for that cv2 dot cvt color, then image cv2 dot color bgr to gray, and then cv2 I am show. Yeah, that's it. Now let me run the code. So img is not defined, where img is not defined, cv2 dot imread, but we didn't take it in the variable. Now tuple object has no attribute font. Okay, we have to pass comma, So as you can see that we got the image lena.jpg. Now we have to change the value. As you can see that the value is going to change on our image. Now from the switch, if we change it to gray, the values got changed, and still the value is changing using the current position of our track bar. So thank you friends. Let's meet our in the next class with the new topic, and stay tuned. Bye friends.